Mother-in-law, I kept milk in the kitchen. How it got less? I took some milk. I had to give to your father-in-law, na? That's why. How many times I have told you that don't do such cheap tricks? When you will behave from your cheap tricks, when you will understand? What happened, daughter-in-law? Why are you getting so much angry? Hey, what I have done? I just took some milk. That milk I don't order for you. I bring it for my kids and my husband only. But why you guys will care? You guys are so much shameless. Your son can die with hunger, but you guys have to do your fun.
Enough, daughter-in-law. Enough is enough. Is this how you talk to your mother-in-law? As far as milk is concerned, I can't eat roti with dry vegetables. So I had 2 rotis with milk. What's the big deal in that?
Hey, eat. Definitely eat. No one have stopped you. But bring milk from your own money, then eat. Right now, my husband is spending money, na? That's why you guys don't care at all. When you will spend money from your pocket, then you will come to know. You saw it? On such a small thing, how daughter-in-law was scolding us.
I don't understand. Why Vikas doesn't say anything to her? Doesn't he have any feelings for us?
Hey, why he will say something? He is also with her only. What do you think? Why he had called us from village?
Why?
To take care of his kids. Daughter-in-law is working and there is no one to take care kids behind. They are alone. Both husband and wife have got maids in free fund who are taking care of household for the whole day and taking care of kids as well. But enough. Not at all. Today we will go back to our village.
What?
Yes. Hey, till the time she was saying me, I was hearing silently. But today, in front of me, she scolded you so much. Now I won't tolerate anymore. We will go back to our village. At least we will have 2 times of food with peace. Mother-in-law, father-in-law, you both are going somewhere.
Yes, we are going back to our village.
What? Village? But why? You guys came to live us forever, na? Yes, daughter-in-law. We thought and came here. But we never thought that we will get so much respect here. Hey, the way you have behaved with us, na? We were better in our home and village only. Mother-in-law, why are you saying this? You felt bad when I did argument. I'm sorry. From tomorrow, use as much as milk you want. I won't say anything. But you guys, please don't go like this. If you guys will go, what will happen to kids? Who will take care of them? You heard this? I was saying true. These guys haven't took us like mother-father or mother-in-law, father-in-law, but like a servant and maid. No need of staying here. Let's go. Mother-in-law, father-in-law, please don't go. Stay for your son, please. Our son? Our son is not our son, na? He had forgotten his parents since long. And where my husband has no respect, I can't live there. You come.